Images of migrants caged in cramped quarters while awaiting a hearing, stories of children being separated from their parents, and children sleeping on the ground at the border crossings have drawn criticism by rights groups, politicians, and ordinary Americans. A 16-year-old boy from Guatemala who died from flu earlier this month is the sixth migrant child to die while in U.S. custody. His family back home seeks more information about his death.
There's no information about how he died. That is what I want to know. And so what I'm fighting for is for them to send me the body as soon as possible.
Acting Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security, Kevin McAleenan, said the agency is lacking funds to adequately care for the unprecedented number of families at the border.
Almost 110,000 migrants attempted to cross without legal status last month, the most in over a decade, and over 65%, as you highlight, were families and unaccompanied children. That means over 40,000 children entered our immigration system in a single month.
McAleenan said the growing number of children and families keep much of the border personnel away from security duties, making it easier for criminals to smuggle drugs and people into the United States.
40% of our agents are off the line doing processing, transportation, care, hospital watch, and feeding and cleaning of migrants in our custody. This leads to significant border security risk that I don't think we can tolerate given the drug epidemic and the dangers to our communities across the country.
Trump's tough immigration policy has been under attack by Democrats. An incensed lawmaker from Illinois accused the administration Wednesday of intentional cruelty. Her statement was struck from official records, but it illustrated the depth of partisan divide on immigration. Thursday, Republican Senator Mitt Romney called on Democrats and Republicans to work together to secure U.S. borders.
Securing the border and keeping people from flooding over the border illegally is something which I would think one could take out of the realm of politics.
Lawmakers agree that the border crisis requires additional resources, and some also say that money alone cannot resolve the situation. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.